Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving average in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to this one, indicators. Click on it and type here moving average. Okay, so choose this one, moving average, and choose another one and another one. Okay, we want three. Now you have to change the periods here. So we have here this one, click on these three dots and click on settings. Now go to input and let's type here, for example, 20. Now let's make this one yellow, for example. You can change the thickness from here if you want. So let's choose this one and click on OK. So this yellow moving average is the 20. Okay. Now let's add the 50. Click on the other one and click on settings, input, and type here 50. Now go to style and change the color also if you want. And you can change also the thickness if you want. So let's choose, for example, this one. Okay. And click on OK, like this. Now let's add our 200 moving average. Click on these three dots again. Click on settings, input, and type here 200. Style, change the thickness, the color and the thickness. So for this one, I will choose white and I will make it thicker. Okay, this one. After that, just click on OK. And now, as you can see here, we have the 200 moving average, this one. We have the 50 moving average, and we have the 20 moving average. Okay. If you don't know what is this moving average, just click on it, and you will see here this blue box on it. As you can see, moving average 50. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.